beginning Greek vocabulary, nouns, full list, words which appear 50 or more times in the New Testament, 97 words. Theos, God, Theos. Kyrios, Lord, Master, Kyrios. Anthropos, man, human, Anthropos. Christos, Christ, Christos. Pater, Father, Pater. Hemera, Dei, Hemera. Pneuma, Spirit, breath, wind, pneuma. Huios, Son, Huios. Adelphos, brother, Adelphos. Logos, word, Logos. Uranos, heaven, Uranos. Mathetes, disciple, student, Mathetes. Ge, earth, land, Ge. Pistis, faith, belief, Pistis. Onoma, name, Onoma. Aner, man, husband, Aner. Gyne, woman, wife, Gyne. Nomos, law, Nomos. Cosmos, world, Cosmos. Hair, hand, hair. Angelos, angel, messenger, Angelos. Ochlos, crowd, Ochlos. Hamartia, sin, Hamartia. Ergon, work, Ergon. Doxa, glory, Doxa. Basileia, kingdom, Basileia. Polis, city, town, Polis. Ethnos, nation, Gentiles, Ethnos. Cardia, heart, Cardia. Charis, grace, favor, Charis. Sarx, flesh, Sarx. Prophetes, prophet, prophetess. Laos, people, Laos. Soma, body, Soma. Phone, voice, sound, Phone. Zoe, life, Zoe. Doulos, slave, Doulos. Aion, age, eternity, Aion. Archiereus, high priest, Archiereus. Thanatos, death, Thanatos. Dunamis, power, strength, Dunamis. Agape, love, Agape. Basileus, king, Basileus. Ecclesia, assembly, church, Ecclesia. Oikos, house, Oikos. Aletheia, truth, Aletheia. Hora, hour, Hora. Psyche, soul, Psyche. Exousia, authority, power, Exousia. hodos, road, way, hodos. Ophthalmos, eye, ophthalmos. Teknon, child, teknon. Haima, blood, haima. Artos, bread, artos. Oikia, house, household, oikia. Pus, foot, pus. Dikaiosune, righteousness, dikaiosune. Eirene, peace, eirene. Thalassa, sea, lake, thalassa. Topos, place, topos. Kairos, time, season, kairos. Meter, mother, meter. Apostolos, apostle, apostolos. Stoma, mouth, stoma. Semeion, sign, miracle, semeion. Evangelion, good news, gospel, evangelion. Prosopon, face, prosopon. Hudor, water, hudor. Kephale, head, kephale. Phos, light, phos. Hieron, temple, hieron. Pure, fire, pure. Rema, word, thing, rema. Sabbaton, Sabbath, week, Sabbaton. Entole, commandment, entole. Ployon, boat, ship, ployon. Karpos, fruit, karpos. Grammateus, scribe, grammateus. Daimonion, demon, daimonion. Oros, mountain, oros. Thelema, will, desire, thelema. Thronos, throne, thronos. Nux, night, nux. Himation, garment, himation. Didaskalos, teacher, didaskalos. Lithos, stone, lithos. Chara, joy, chara. Synagogue, synagogue, synagogue. Arche, beginning, rule, arche. Chronos, time, chronos. Elpis, hope, elpis. Evangelia, promise, evangelia. Paidion, child, infant, paidion. Sophia, wisdom, Sophia. Glossa, tongue, language, glossa. Graphe, scripture, graphe. Parabole, parable, proverb, parabole.